Hey guys, Kapper here. So I'm sitting here waiting for my ride from Watermark Ford from Marion, Illinois. The truck went down, needed some repairs, but that's what I want to talk about today. Should you or should you not spend the extra money on one of the higher end extended warranties? So I'll show you how much it cost me and where we're at so far. I think I've only owned that truck for, I don't know, 7 or 8 months. So let's have a little fun, and maybe it'll help you make your decision on extended warranties when you buy a used vehicle. Alright, so I purchased this truck late last fall, late September or early October. It was it's a 2013 Ford F-250 Super Duty, and it was like a $38,000 truck. So it was a pretty big investment, especially for a used one. So I'm going to kind of go over the extended warranty that I did buy with it. First thing that you guys should know, in case you don't, but everything is negotiable. So the premium warranty on this, I was able to get a few $100 knocked off. Sometimes if you're really good and they make a profit on the truck, you could attempt to get them to throw in the extra warranty, but they're getting more and more expensive these days. So the warranty that I did get with it was the highest level one. It was a priority one. It was supposed to be like $3,900, and I ended up getting it for $3,500. But another thing to consider, if you're like me and 99% of the most people, you're going to finance a vehicle. So if you're talking about a $40,000 purchase and you add that $3,500 in, or if you pay half of it up front and finance the rest, you're looking at a pretty small amount over the life of your loan. So today I'm going to show you kind of what happened. My truck went down and I needed some repairs, and we'll see if I made up any ground on this new warranty within the first year. Man, the old Ford looks pretty. Just got it washed. Okay, so here's what happened with my truck. I was taking it in basically for full service, for oil, fuel filters, coolant flush, because the coolant dummy light came on a couple times. I topped it off and I didn't think twice about it because I didn't have any puddles in my garage. And then there was a tire sensor that was also faulting. So I took it in just for what I thought was going to be routine maintenance, and I get a call from Ryan, one of the service technicians, and he told me that one of the radiators was leaking. There's actually 2 cooling systems in this truck. Pretty interesting. I never knew that. So anyways, the long and the short of it is, I'm going to let him explain to you quick what was repaired, and I'm going to show you what I had to pay out of pocket and what it would have cost me without the warranty. Hey guys, Kapper here. I'm out here with Ryan from Watermark Ford, and I want to talk today about warranties and that, but before I do that, I want to just give a shout out to you guys, because we've been coming here for at least 5 years and the service has been excellent, and sometimes we even bring Mrs. Kapper's Chevy here. So I first of all want to say thanks, Ryan. We appreciate it. So can you tell me about the truck this time, on what had to be repaired and what the extended warranty covered and what it would have cost me out of pocket?
Absolutely. So when he came in, we had some services that wanted to be done. We went ahead and just did an overall inspection on it. Found that the radiator was leaking. He hadn't mentioned that. Joe hadn't mentioned that to us, but he did mention the tire pressure light. We looked at the tire pressure light, found that it needed a sensor. The coolant leak, we found that it needed a radiator. Contacted Joe, told him what it needed. He said he had an extended warranty. He reached out to his people that he bought it from. I called him, got it covered. I mean, it was a $1,400 repair. If it would have been out of pocket, actually close to $1,500 out of pocket. Joe had to pay $522. I mean, obviously he had some other things done, but if his extended warranty, if he didn't have one, he would have had to pay $1,534.11. We honor also a military discount for veterans. We gave him a discount on that, which
I appreciate. So, yeah. But it would have been about $2,000.
Oh yeah,
right. The total would have.
Yeah, it would have been closer to $2,000.
Okay.
With everything, tax, parts, labor, and without the deductible.
All right, so man, I appreciate
Yeah,
the
no
service
problem.
here.
Thank
If
you.
you guys are down in this area, definitely stop in to Watermark Ford. It's in Marion, Illinois. I've been coming here for probably 5 years with a lot of good luck. So Ryan, I just want to say thanks,
Thank you.
man.
Thank you too, buddy. Appreciate
All right,
it.
you bet.
Yeah.
So there you have it. I've been buying these pretty much my whole life. I couldn't tell you if I'm ahead or behind, honestly. But with an investment like this, just that radiator job was over a 5-hour job because they had to tear everything apart. So, I mean, I paid $3,500 for this contract, saved me $1,500 to $1,600 this time. So I'm still behind $2,000, but I've got over 3 years to go left and hopefully a lot of miles to put on this thing. So my suggestion is if you can swing it and finance it or pay for it, get a good extended warranty, and hopefully it's just an insurance policy and some peace of mind. So I appreciate it. Until next time, have a good one, guys. Thanks.